Do you remember this house? The place value house, where there can only be one digit in a place at a time. Yes, that's the rule of the place value house. But what happens when we add two numbers together, for instance, 5 units plus 5 units, and the sum gives us more than a digit? Plus 5 plus 5 gives us 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. 2, it has 1 and 0. There can only be one digit in this place. After counting from 0 to 9, from the number 10, we begin to count in the bundles of 10, because 10 units make 1 10. Therefore, 10 units equals to 1 10 and 0 units. 0 units will be in the right place, but 1 10 will be carried to the tens house. 1. So therefore, we don't write 10, we write 0, keep 1 in the tens place. So let's assume the number here also is 7 plus 2, or let's say 7 plus 3. We add them together. 1 plus 7 plus 3 gives us 11 tens. 11 tens is 2 digits, but there can only be one digit in this place at a time. 11 tens is 110. 110 is one bundle of the 100 and 110. So we keep the 10 in the tens place, which is the right place it should be. We keep 110 in the tens place, just 110. 110, and move 100 to the hundreds place. So we have 1. The numbers here are given as 2 and 4. We add them together. 1 plus 2 plus 4 gives us 7. So you can see we have 700, 1 tenth and 0 units. So that is how to add numbers in cases where you have 2 digits from addition of 2 numbers. We keep the unit and carry 1 to the next place. Let's see another example so that you can understand better. 151 plus 452. First we do what? We label 100, tens and units. So we begin to add under each column, in each column, 100, tens and units. Under the units place, we have 1 plus 2. 1. We count 2. 1, 2. We count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 units. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. The tens place column, we have 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. This is 10 tens. 10 tens is 100 and 0 tens. So we keep 0 and carry 1 to the hundredths place. So we have 1 already. We count the other numbers. 1, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 603. 600, 0 tens and 3 units. You know what will make you a very good mathematician? Practice. Practice. You have to practice as many questions as possible. So don't miss your quizzes, and I will see you in the next class. Bye.